In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix your Slack login problem in 2026. So let's get straight into the video. The first thing you're going to do is check your internet connection. Make sure that you're connected to a stable internet connection. Always go ahead and check if Slack servers are down. Go to status.slack.com and always check your email and password and ensure that you're using the correct one, because generally password is case sensitive. If you're using any kind of browser, you want to simply go ahead and clear cache and cookies and restart your browser and try logging in again, or you could also use a private or incognito window. If that is not the case, some extensions can also block Slack login, so disable all extensions and try again. If that doesn't work, use another browser or device, reset your password by clicking on forgot password, or you could check your workspace URL. If none of it works, simply contact their support team at slack.com/help. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.